Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to manually create multiple student accounts using a CSV file. You can upload a CSV file with your student's first and last name and their student ID if you would like. The site then can create multiple student accounts using the CSV file all at once by generating key codes for your students to use when they log in. So without further ado, I'll show you how that works. Once you have logged in, click everything at the top and click Classroom from the left-hand side. From here, choose the class you'd like to add the students to. From this page, click the Students tab at the top, and then from the left-hand side, click Manually Create Accounts. Here is where you can upload your CSV file. You can click here to browse your computer, or you can drag and drop the file into this space. If you're uploading your own CSV file that you have made already, please make sure it follows the format below. It'd be first name, comma, last name, comma, student ID if you'd like to include that. We also have a template available. You can click Download Template to open this on your device. You can then plug in the names and the student IDs if you'd like of your students and create the CSV file. Once downloaded and opened, the template looks like this. You can erase the first two names that were included in the template and add your student's first name and last name and their student ID if you would like. Once you've added all of this information, make sure to download your CSV file. Once you upload the file, you'll get confirmation showing that the file was uploaded successfully and that the site will create the number of student accounts on the file. If the message is different, please follow the instructions in the message and re-upload the CSV file. Once everything is set, click the blue Submit button. You'll then get another pop-up letting you know that the accounts were created successfully and how you can view the key codes. To view these students that you have added, you can click My Student on the left-hand side. From here, scroll down and view the students from the list. Here you can see underneath their name their key code. You can also click their profile and view their key code here as well. Give this key code to your students and instruct them to go to ellii.com/students. On your student's end, once they go to ellii.com/students, they'll click Key Code. From here, they can enter the key code you have given them and their last name to log in. The last name is not case sensitive. Your students can enter it with a capital or not. Once they're ready to log in, they can click Login. They'll then be logged into their account and can continue with choosing their class and working on their lessons. That's it for this video on how to manually create multiple accounts using a CSV file. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.